Hello. Today I will be explaining a common accounting problem that you might find in your Accounting 1 or 2 class. The problem I will be explaining today is an entries for cash dividends problem. So, let's get started. Let's say that the declaration, record, and payment dates in connection with a cash dividend of $195,000 on a corporation's common stock are March 1st, April 18th, and June 1st. So, how do we journalize the entries for these dates? First, for the entry for the declaration, put the date of the declaration of the dividend, which would be March 1st in this example. Then you put the two accounts that are being affected, which is the retained earnings account and the cash dividends payable account. The retained earnings account goes on top because it is being debited. This account is debited for $195,000. The cash dividends payable account goes on the bottom because it is a liability that is increasing and is therefore being credited. This account is credited for $195,000, an equal amount to the debit for retained earnings. An entry for the record on April 18th is not needed. For the entry for the payment, put the date of the payment, which would be June 1st in this example. Then you put the two accounts that are being affected on this date, which is the cash dividends payable account and the cash account. The cash dividends payable account goes on top because it is a liability that is being decreased and is therefore being debited. In this example, the account is being debited for $195,000. The cash account goes on the bottom because it is an asset that is being decreased and is therefore being credited. The account is being credited for $195,000, an equal amount to the debit to the cash dividends payable account. And there you have it. This should be a suitable example video if you're ever confused or need a refresher on entries for cash dividends. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video explained what you needed.